everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to go over with you today, as I discussed in my intro, my 2020 F-150 XLT. Some of y'all did ask a couple questions about it. Well, here we go. This is my 2020 F-150 XLT FX4. As you can tell, there have been a few things done to it. I'm going to go over them in this video. Anyway, guys, listen, if you like content like this, if you like truck content, Mustang content, just general car content, please smash that like button, smash subscribe for more content. It is coming, trust me. But anyway, guys, like I said, we're going to go over my truck today. 2020 F-150 XLT. This color is new for 2020. It is called Rapid Red and or Lucid Red, depending on the model it is on. As you can see, like I said, I kind of halfway cleaned it up today. It is beautiful in the sunlight, even though today is pretty much overcast, but it is beautiful. But now here's one thing I wanted to go over. Some of you guys did ask what all's been done to the truck, what are our plans for the truck. Well, let's start with what's been done today. All right, guys, here's what's been done to it so far. You see right there, I got wheels and tires and a leveling kit on the truck. These wheels and tires, these are 20x10 fuel beasts, some Toyo Open Country MT 33 1250s. They do ride kind of rough, but anyway, this is what I want. I do not daily drive the truck. As far as the leveling kit, that is the Fox 2.0 coilovers. They have been turned up a little bit more than they come, because even when they were factory, I set them on there, it still had a little bit of nosedive, so I cranked them up. I think it was like 4 turns, and it ended up becoming like a 2 1/4 inch lift. And to me, I like the way it sits. Now, like I said, when I got those, when I also got the kit, I also did get the Fox rears with it. They do help the ride a lot. They are a little bit firmer than the stock FX4 shocks, but to me, I like that, especially when you're going to be off-roading or spirited driving. They keep the tires to the ground, they don't bounce, which is what I like. As you see some other stuff, of course, it has been tinted up. Basically all the normal basics. I got vent guards on it. One of the things that you see right here that I have done, this truck is XLT, so I actually have black mirror caps. I actually got these. It's got some paint match ones. I got the special edition black and red F-150 emblems, but as you can see right there, they don't say XLT, they say FX4, because I didn't want to say XLT, because most of the other trucks I've seen in the past, before Ford went to 2015 and up, if it had FX4, the badge actually said FX4 on it. Next obvious thing you see here is I have the black housing, clear reflector headlights for LED or halogen bulbs. I didn't want to spend the $1,200 for the big Morimoto ones. I like this look. And like I said, these are significantly cheaper, and the light output with good LED bulbs is actually very good. Another thing I have here is it's a Morimoto style fog light. I actually found them for a really good price. I liked them a lot. Obvious thing you see here next, this is not the factory XLT grill. I'll put a picture here just so you can see how this truck came from the factory with a magnetic grill. I didn't like it. I wanted it paint matched. And then I looked up on this grill on eBay for less than $300 shipped from a dismantler. You can't beat that, guys. Obviously, some other stuff that has been done to it. I've pulled off the lower valence just to make it look like it's a little bit higher off the ground. I like this. I like the way this front end looks a lot better because it's all paint matched. And like I said, some other stuff that's been done to the truck. Like I said, engine-wise, it is basically stock. I'll show you what's going on here. You can see right here, the engine, 5.0 Coyote. It's basically stock. Only thing I've really done, I've done a K&N drop-in just to help with some stuff, and I've done a JLT oil separator for now. I'm not really going to do much to this just until it's out of warranty. I do have a 2018 and up GT manifold I am debating on putting on, but I'll cross that line when I get to it. I gotta know there's got to be a couple modifications done plus a tune. So, like I said, we'll cross that line when we get to it, but it is on the future plans. Another future plan that I'm planning on doing, I am going to put some extra auxiliary lighting up front, and I'm also looking at the rough country hidden winch that goes back in here. I used to have a Jeep, and I've always actually liked having recovery gear. Heaven forbid something does happen, there you do have an option to try and get yourself out and or help people out. So like I said, that's the plans right there. Another thing that's been done to the truck, it does have a Catback exhaust on it. As you can see right there, I've got the pre-tire side exit. It is not an MBRP kit. This is off of eBay. It was like $320 shipped to the front door. Looks just like an MBRP, bolted right up. All these, even MBRP instructions did work for it. Another thing is, I'm going to stick a camera up here right quick and let y'all listen to this. I do love the way it sounds, even though the muffler... truck is I am planning on doing a camper shell or a bed cover. I haven't decided yet. I've had bed covers, I've had camper shells. I'm still debating on it. There is quite a price difference. It's anywhere from $1,000 up to $2,500. So like I said, it's just something I gotta decide what I want to do, what I'm going to do with the truck. I did put the bed lettering in. I wanted just something just to help break up all that color. So this is what I like. Interior wise, like I said, this truck is an XLT, which means it does not have leather and everything, but I do have a solid black interior, which I'm very thankful for. I hate two-tone gray tan interiors and a lot of stuff. I know I've got a tan interior in my Cobra, but I don't know why I like it, but I don't like it in these trucks. But as you see, it's a console with a console shifter. I do have the bigger screen. I do have some extra functionality. I do not have a sunroof. I did not want a sunroof. As you're going to see later in this video, I'm going to meet up with Mr. Speed Addict 731, and we're going to do a little bit of tweaking to the truck. You have to stick to the end of the video to see that. But guys, like I said, biggest thing, interior-wise, the only thing that's really going to happen here soon, I am going to tint the front windows a little bit darker. I bought it from the dealership like this. It's got like 30% tint on it. I can't do that. This is factory 20. I'm going to match it to this. As you see, I do have an eyebrow put on it. Only I think is really going to happen on the inside, because I do like to go off-road a little bit. Plus, I do travel a lot. I am going to put probably a handheld, a smaller CB unit in the truck just for extra communication. But like I said, it's going to be hidden because it's going to be a handheld unit. But like I said, I haven't decided yet. I'm looking between the Cobra and then Midland's got one too. I'm bouncing back and forth between them, see which one works the best. But anyway, guys, I'm going to get back to the house and warm up a little bit, and we're going to catch up with you at the shop. And we're at the shop. Hey guys, welcome back. Had a little surprise tonight. I came over to the shop. Speed Addict 731 sitting over there. See his merch right there? Look at that. That's awesome. But anyway, he's hooking me up. I've been wanting to do this with this truck for a while since I've had it. He is going to be helping me turn on Bambi mode and global open, which if y'all don't know what that is, that pretty much means whenever I turn the high beams on, the fog lights are going to stay on. And the global opening, if you don't know what that is, means you can actually control the windows. You can roll them down with your key fob. Just through, just like you could with the older trucks, unlock it, then hold it, and it'll roll all the windows down. Kind of convenient in summertime, especially when it gets hot. So, anyway, guys, let's get over here. We're going to see if we can start working some magic. Now, as you can see, guys, we're going to go in through using ForeScan. Now, the one thing you do need, if I remember right, for some functions with this software is you have to have the extended license. There is other options. You can get the free one, and or you can pay to have the 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, whatnot. But this is where you got to go through to do all your modifications. First thing we're doing is Bambi mode.
So you'll go to 726, 2701. Scroll down and find it. BCM is packed full of these things. We're only going to change that last one right there to a 0. I'm just going to put them both on.
Okay.
It tells you both, so I think it's just telling you what each one of these does. And then that's our... Alright, switch them off. Now,
just flick it forward and... Hey, look at that. Yep, fog lights on. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Now you can see on the back roads at night. Next thing's going to be the global window.
So that is global window open close.
And there's a bunch on there, I think, or there's different options, I think, if you scroll out to the side.
Press and lock, unlock.
Oh no, there's a bunch of changes. Oh, it's just for front windows.
So it says after pressing lock, unlock on fob, press lock, unlock again, and hold. Button front windows go up and down. So we're already in the BCM, so we'll start there. 726, 17, 1701, 2. So
looks like it's changing all of those.
let's see what yours is. 726.
Now, what does PDM stand for on these?
Passenger door module. Driver door modules DDM. Passenger door modules PDM.
Ah, okay.
And then BCM is body control module. One thing, guys, is you can go in and mess up a lot of stuff. Now, I will tell you this much right now. You can go in and you can click save all before you do anything. and then name the file, and if you ever mess up, you can hit restore all, and then it'll kick in. So let's stop. So now unhook this, turn this off, take the key out.
And that's another thing, guys, I'm gonna tell you. If you ever get vent visors for your newer F-150s, either get the ones that go on the outside or pay attention to the instructions for the ones that go in the channel, because the ones in channel can be a butt. Look at that. Look at that. Dude, that's awesome. And look at
it. The lock or unlock, I mean, just goes up. Just does the front too, though.
That's enough for me.
Don't do the back.
Oh.
All right, unlock.
No, I want to keep your computer.
No.
Well, there you go, guys. Two simple things that's gotten what I've been wanting to do. That, like I said, on the older trucks, they had global, and I've always wanted to turn on baby mode, especially on the back roads where we live. So
the good thing about ForeScan is that you can actually add stuff like we did with my car.
yeah, and that's the other thing. When we were over here earlier, Ken actually he went to 4 to 8 conversion, so we did APIM, and he activated drive modes and all the good stuff on his 2020 Twin Turbo GT. And in fact, if you have not seen his channel, please go over there and take a look at some of the stuff he's got going on. I'm sure you're gonna like it. But anyway, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video on my truck. I hope you liked it. You guys, like I said, if you liked the video, please hit the like button. Click subscribe if you want to see more. And anyway, guys, stay safe. Have a nice night. We'll see you later.